lightning, thunder, water, 60 miles an hour, lightning. Oh, we're gonna go drive in it. Holy cow. Here we go. My goodness. Stay tuned. Holy cow. This is a monsoon rainstorm for those of you who've never seen one. You're in Scottsdale right now. Huge lightning, heavy thunder, downpours. Holy cow. On my way to the airport to pick up a passenger. Gotta believe the flight will be delayed somewhat. Oh, 60-mile-an-hour winds blowing the rain right out of us. Flooding going on. Oh, lightning right on us. Gonna an emergency vehicle coming up behind us. We're going to pull over and let them go by. Holy cow. Some water rescues. Through a flood right there. Holy cow. Lightning right on top of us. Just went right on through. I wasn't going to stop. Got another one. We're going to go through some water here. Oh my god. Flash flooding right here. I'm in the middle of the road to try to stay on the highest ground. This is dangerous. Holy cow. Alright, we gotta find somewhere to pull off. I can't. Oh, shnikes. Hold on, folks. Oh my gosh, total flooding. Lightning right there. Boom. Alright, we gotta find somewhere safe. Tree down right there. Driving in that lane, you're going to hit it. Come on, get over here. Holy cow. This is a total monsoon in Arizona. Try to get in here without dying. Oh, crap. Oh. Just lost our steering. Oh. Come on, get over there. Just sit for a second here. I get my steering back. Back it up and go the other way so we can see. It's right on us. Oh, no power steering at all right now. Oh, damn. It's hitting right here. We're going to back it up. Just stay away from the gas pumps. So you can't get a view. Holy cow. Looks like power is out over here. They must have hit something. A transformer or something. See the whole neighborhood right there out. It's right on top of us. Waves of water. Tree floating down. Right on top. Boom. Hand grenade going on. Right on top of us. The wind has shifted now. Folks going towards us, it goes down into the wash, the Hayden wash, where they've got parks and golf courses and all kinds of stuff. But it fills up with water, so these folks should not be going that way. Have to do some water rescues down there here in a little bit. Holy cow. I believe we're at Osborne and Hayden in Scottsdale. You can see the lights are out in the neighborhood across there. The one light is still on here at Circle K. And there's people underneath the gas pumps just sitting there. No, I'd want to be there in a lightning storm. We're too close as it is, but it's either this or drown. And I do not want to drown tonight. Holy cow. The weather advisories have been going off all night. Oh, there, we just lost power. We just lost power. All right. Just took out the power in this section too. Gotta believe they're not doing this. So my only move right now is to sit still. Interrupted with here, using the satellite internet for the phone here, and that's being messed with. I'm gonna pull, oh, maybe not. Pull out. Top of this. We'll just oh, internet. Hello. Hopefully you can hear, but we are stuck now. We can't go anywhere. Can't nowhere out of the car. I'm gonna make sure it's going in and out. Oh my gosh, there's another one right there. Just when I said there's no. The internet's fading in and out. I apologize about that, but we may be at the end of it here, maybe at the back side of the storm now, starting to lighten up a bit. We've seen multiple lightning strikes right in this area. It's knocked out power to the neighborhoods. Guys in the middle of pumping gas here at Circle K had to leave. Never advisable to pump gas during a lightning storm. Get inside, hide, get in your car, stay insulated, whatever you got to do. Don't drown. All right, it seems to be giving up a little bit, which is nice. We'll give the streets a few minutes to flow. You can see the water around the touching that. Plug that. You're still with us? We are in Scottsdale, Arizona, in the middle of a massive monsoon. It's taking out flooding streets, very dangerous conditions. Here we go. Now we're gonna sit. Holy cow. So much not safer here. Appreciate y'all being here. Trying to stay safe on a Thursday night. Pull up a little bit here. Get a sense for it. Yep, hail coming down. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Oh, here it comes. All right, we're gonna back it up. We'll back it up. Look at it bouncing off the ground there. Turning into a snowstorm now. Still hitting us, even though we're underneath the cover. Oh my goodness. The lightning is major. Thank you, Seaside Walk to Sand. This is amazing. I can feel the car shaking with the wind blowing, and it's blowing the hail at us. Sideways now. Oh my gosh, right on top of us. Okay, so the storm continues to circulate and move. Got another person joining me underneath here. Not sure how we can stay the most away from the hail. Coming in on the side. Oh, we're screwed here. Let me see if I can back it up a bit. I'm going to use the gas pump as a blocker. Best we can. At least this one, I got the windshield blocked on my left with the way the wind is blowing by one of the poles holding up the roof here. Thank you, Poppy Carter. Appreciate it. Trying to stay safe here. So I'm on my way to the airport. Gotta go pick my daughter up. And I don't know if they're gonna let the plane land, but if they do, she's probably safer in the plane or in the airport right now. I gotta believe there's no Ubers or taxis at the airport right now. All right, we're in park. Engine is running. Now the wind has shifted again. Now it's coming from the right side. In many states, this would be tornado weather. Not so much in Arizona. There's been a few over the years, but not quite like you would have in the Midwest, Nebraska, Kansas, Illinois, or down in the South. It's a different type of a jet stream here. This is more monsoon from the Gulf or from Baja. Very unstable air. Yep, now it's coming in from the right-hand side. Thank you very much. I appreciate the prayers. Thank you so much. This is scary in a way. Fortunately, I was right here. There was another Circle K I could have pulled into with many more gas pumps, but it's a different setup. We are here. Still see some of the hail popping on the ground there. I want to plug my phone in, but I don't want the car, if it gets hit by lightning, to fry out the phone. So we'll go, oh my goodness, we'll go as long as we can. Actually, I do have my backup battery here. Let me see if I can find that out. There it is. Hopefully it's charged. So that'll give us some juice. It's like the storm keeps circulating, and now it's coming in from behind. So it's been on the left, the front, the right, and now behind. Now I'm going to pull forward a bit and closer over here, get out of the storm. This is nuts. Oh, all right, now the hail's hitting from the right-hand side. I'm going to pull up. I guess people have taken out gas pumps with vehicles and they don't explode, and they've got to have this as one of their thought processes that occasionally there'll be lightning storms, and unbelievable. Streets are all flooded. There's a warning not to leave your home right now. Welcome everybody. It's a Thursday night in Arizona. Just popped down. I'm glad I did. There's some rain in Vegas, but nothing like this. Got bigger chunks coming in from the right and the back. The hail. Where that car is, it may have just stalled out. No, maybe it'll go. That's a full-on foot plus water right there. We're right next to a ditch, or not a ditch, a drainage area, a big canal type drainage area. It's designed for the water to flow from this area, from the mountains into the Salt River. But they've made parks and golf courses and all kinds of areas, putting greens, dog areas, all kinds of stuff that humans would be hanging out in. Fortunately, in Arizona, people are mostly smart enough to get out of this. But it will, I mean, there's pro shops and caddy shacks and stuff down in this wash that'll be wiped out. Somebody just did it doing circles there. I mean, come on. Of all the things that are going to help right now, that was not it. So cool to drive through a flood, I guess. Your engines will stall out. The water will come up underneath your car and stall you out, and then you're stuck there. And if you lose power and you lose your lights, then cars will hit you from behind because they can't see. And it's just crazy to have all these people out on the road. Hey, James. How you doing in Fort Lauderdale? I will find your information. Appreciate you checking in. We're safe right here, safe-ish, as safe as we can be. We've evaluated the different threats, and there's multiple threats right now. There is, the trees could fall, lightning could strike the pumps, the hail's falling, there's flooding, the prices of gas have gone way high. I don't know if that's part of this, but I've got to get to the airport to get my daughter, who may or may not have landed, who may be circling, may have turned back. No way to know. The sky is lifting. The clouds are lifting. You can see the reflection of the city now in the canopy. That's a good sign. The rain is not as heavy, but we need to give it some time to drain off the streets before we start driving, or we will stall out. It continues to it's a great opportunity to chat. See how things are. Appreciate y'all checking it out. This Circle K had lights and power when we pulled in. Across the street had been hit by lightning a couple of times. They lost power. Then the other side of the street to the north of it lost power, and then the Circle K lost power. I've got a half bag of, I don't know if you can see it or not, provisions. I got a half bag of these smart popcorn, the white cheddar popcorn, and about 3/4 of a smart water, so I'm good to go. Has some good H2O, some high quality H2O. All right, now it's starting to rain, not storm, which is okay. There's a lot of water coming down, and this desert can only absorb so much of it. The rest of it runs off until it hits the rivers, the lakes. Oh, there we go again. Now it's coming back from the right side, circling around. Would love to have a weather map right now. Something circling around me. There you go. I hit the curb pretty hard coming in here. I hope I didn't do too much damage to the vehicle. But I had to get in here. The area where the power is out is where the Casino Arizona is located. I'm sure they have backup generators. But imagine you're in the middle of a streak on your Keno machine. The power goes out. All pays are voided by malfunction. Was at the Indian Gaming Expo in Vegas this morning, today, midday today, at the Caesars Forum by Harrah's. And what a great show that was. There's like a 6-minute clip I walked through pretty quick. It's kind of hard to watch, but it's there on the membership videos. But all kinds of new games coming out. There's a Grumpy Kitten one that I think is going to be very popular. And of course, every dinosaur, dragon, panda, all that stuff. So many knockoffs. So many, you know, instead of buffalo, it's bison and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Everyone's trying to capture the next hottest machine. It was great. The big manufacturers were all there. That was the dry desert a few hours ago. I'm glad I left early. I would hate to be driving into Phoenix and this in the mountains right now. All right, what are we gonna do? We're late, but I gotta believe the flight didn't land. We may divert it to Tucson. It's 2 hours south of here. The roads are probably closed due to flooding right now. There's at least 24 weather alerts that came out in the last hour and a half that I got on my phone. Oh, this way. If there's hail coming down, I'm not too interested in going out. We'll test it. See some tree debris here. Let's see how much water there is in the exit here. Oh, this tree is down right here. Wow. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me back it up here. This whole tree right here came over. You can see it's on the ground right there. That's a huge pine tree. And I'm not sure what stopped it. Must be a large branch here on that wall retaining it. This white vehicle over here to the left is in danger of being crushed by that tree. Wow. These are old mature trees and there's tons of water there. I'm not gonna go into that right now. We'll back it up again. We'll go back in here. That's amazing. That's wind damage right there. All right, we're gonna sit here for a few more minutes. That is amazing. You see the size of the one here on the right. You see the trunk there. It's similar size to that trunk. Came over. 60-mile-an-hour winds, wet ground that's not normally wet. There was one in the road down a ways when we came up this way, just in the right lane. Fortunately, that's a flooding lane, and hopefully most everybody's avoiding it. Oh, there's another tree down on the road over here to the right of us, too. When we pull out, you'll see it. It's laying down in the road. Wow. Need to start moving towards the airport. But I also want to go back the way I came and see if that neighborhood is safe right now. So my power steering is back. You can look at the flood on the road here. I don't know if you can see that whole tree right there that came down. I don't think I could make that road. There's some emergency vehicles. Maintain my position yet again. And back it up. Go ahead. Just joining us, we are, it looks like the tail end of this storm here in Scottsdale, but it's still hitting the Phoenix metro area. Trees are down, flooded roads, and I need to follow the storm to the airport. So I'm giving it a few minutes here to drain. Got to plan my trip. I can't take Osborne because that is a flood path, and it's probably 5-6 feet deep by now. I can go north like all these other cars were going, get back up to like Indian School Road. It's a pretty stable road. Does have a bridge up and over the waterway. And that will get me to the airport. Oh, that car's hitting the tree. The car's pulling out and just hit the tree. I guess they didn't look behind themselves. Oh, you got a tree behind you. There you go, you got a tree behind you there. Oh, did I hit the pole? Don't hit the pole. Wow. Another way to do that is to not do what you're doing, but I can't help. Go the other way. There you go. There you go. Start maneuvering that way. Yeah, good deal. Car coming through way too fast. Oh, there you go. Wheel it around. Got a tree down and a guy driving into it. Okay, you almost got it. Watch out for that branch. You gotta take out your windshield. So the road behind us must be flooded at that intersection as everybody's cutting through here now. Oh my goodness. Driver's ed. Oh, lightning right there. This person has no ability to maneuver the vehicle. You need help there? Oh my God. Crazy lightning is correct. All right, we got out. She got out. She did it. Still backing up though. Watch out for the car behind you. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh. Of cars, they have to turn around because the wash is running, and if they made a right or a turn onto Osborne, I'm hoping that there's a police officer there blocking them because it will kill you. Die. Do not drown. Do not drive through water. Okay, yeah, the police are blocking off the road now because of the tree down in the road. So we got a emergency vehicle right here blocking the tree in the road and hopefully shut down Osborne. Cross or ambulance. how you doing? I'm here in Arizona. Officers going down into the drainage area. I'm gonna head back to where I came from. I keep saying that, but I think it's time because that'll circle around the back of the storm. I just keep seeing people pull in here because the water's so thick or so deep. If I get a good run at it, I can get going. Got lights coming on down the street, so that's a good sign. Power's being restored. These guys continue to drive through the flooded area. I'm trying to gauge how deep the water is by their splash, but right in the middle there, if I can get to the middle, big storm in Arizona. Thunder, lightning, wind, rain, flooding, trees down. Guy behind me with his brights on. Awesome. All right, I think we're ready to set out. Oh, more emergency vehicles coming down this side over here. All right, we're gonna get out of here. Hold on, here we go. We're gonna make our trek across the water as soon as this guy goes past. We're gonna have to go for it. Oh, that guy stalled out over here where the tree was on the ground. I don't know if you can get water flowing there. I may not be able to do this. Wait, guy right behind me. Seriously. Oh, they're pushing their car over there because they flooded out. All right, I'm going. Ready? Here we go. Hold on. All right, we got out. These people are stalled out because they went through the deep water. And they're actually pushing their cars. You guys are crazy. Get in your car. All right, we are headed northbound back into Scottsdale where the lights are down there. We're headed that way. I'm going to stay on the high part of the road here. There is a dip up here that does flood because you can see the cars with the lights blinking. I don't know if we'll be able to get through this. Follow the fire engine. See if I can make it. I'm going to follow the fire engine. Lots of stalled out cars. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to make it, are we? That's a full-on river going right there, folks. Look at that. I don't know if I can make that. So we are isolated. The fire engine's submerged. I'm gonna sit here for a minute. That guy just lost his engine. Oh, look at that. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna sit here for a moment. That's a full river right there. Full river going on right here. That's going into that neighborhood. There's an apartment complex right there that's flooding right now. I'm going to circle back the way we just came. There's no way. You turn around and don't drown. That's the rule. Other guy wants to go faster than me. He can go fast. You go ahead. Watch out for the tree, by the way. It's on the ground over there. Oh. Excuse me. Alright, I'm stuck. There's nothing I can do. I'm flooded on all sides. Try to get back into the Circle K. At least we had shelter there and it was somewhat safe. I'm going to have to go straight on into it. I can't do the turn. We're going to do like this. There's no way. Oh, this guy's got to get out of there. Get out of my way. Because we are in the middle of the floodplain right here. Dude, you gotta go because I'm gonna hit you if you don't move. Maybe I can go this way. Thanks a lot for not moving. Well, I get across this one. Alright, we're going forward. Tons of fire here. Just for a little as we can. Just under half a tank of gas left. Don't want to go very fast. Dude, seriously. Go around me. Yeah, there you go. Go around, jackass. Flashing his brights at me. Go ahead. You go ahead. Wow. I'm blocked by floods right now. This is kind of the way to the airport, which is what my ultimate destination was. I'm going to follow these guys and see how they do. We're pretty high compared to the rest of the road. And we do have traffic lights here, which is good. Unless they just stay on red. This is Thomas. There is a bridge here that will get us over the waterway. Damn, my glasses. So it is Thomas. I got a green. We're going to keep going forward because right now it appears to be the safest road. Can't go backwards because it's flooded. Probably go to the right there, but we're going to go forward. Anthony, how you doing? You guys getting rain where you're at? This is amazing. Appreciate y'all checking in. Oh, trees down right here. Yep, we got the roadblock. Massive tree down. Look at that. That thing's huge. Wow. Rain picking up slightly towards the storm. If I had my 1999 Ford Bronco, I'd feel a little safe. But so far so good. This is the ultimate direction I wanted to go. I know I can drive in this. It's everybody else that I'm concerned about. People think it's fun to drive through the drains and splash the water and do all that kind of stuff. We can keep going forward. There's a freeway we can jump on, which is elevated. And that would keep us in pretty good shape. We'd ride in the upper middle lanes. Signal coming in and out, coming in and out. No rain in Kingman, according to Harrison. Thank you. All right, everybody stops, everybody goes. Yeah, I drove through Kingman 4 hours ago. I'm gonna flash my lights and go. There's a big rain leaving Vegas down by Henderson. But once you got past that, it was dry all the way down. Wickenburg had a little bit, and nothing like this. All right, we're making some good time now. We're about 2 miles maybe away from the freeway entrance, which would get us off the flooded streets. There is power down on this side. We shall stop. I'm headed towards Sky Harbor Airport. My daughter's flying in and coming in from Dallas. They were delayed an hour because of the storm, but we're supposed to land 30 minutes ago. With this storm, I gotta believe they were either circling or they're in Tucson. Oh. No, got a text. She's on the ground. All right, on the ground. Hey, Steve, what did you drive to Vancouver? When did I drive to Vancouver? That was many years ago. Here we go. Okay. I'm looking only at the road right now, so if there's chat going on, I apologize. I'm not going to look at it while rolling just for safety. But it appears to be okay over there. Oh, off to the left is massive lightning and maybe another cloud coming in. Thunderhead. See the water's dissipated here quite a bit, so this is much better than where we were. Okay. Down by the next light is the on-ramp to the freeway. We're going to take that. Get my defogger on. Starting to fog up a bit. Be driving by Big Surf, the inland surfing ocean here in Tempe. If you ever saw the movie North Shore from back in the 1980s, it was started here, then went to Hawaii after that. My daughter is in the airport. She was texting my wife. Popped up on my phone here, so she is safe inside the airport. Fortunately, it looks like she checked some luggage, so she'll be tied up for a few minutes. All right. This is good. This is good. Okay, this one light, then the blinky light is where the freeway is. We're going to head right behind where the storm went. Don't want to hydroplane, don't want to do anything that would cause damage more than already has happened tonight. Fortunately, my wheel stayed inflated after I hit that curb really hard. Did get some hail, and looks like a new crack in the windshield. Awesome. That's the Red Mountain Freeway. Be headed westbound. It will be elevated. I can see a plane taking off up there. So it must be clear enough. Looks very nasty out there. I'm still okay on gas, Linda. Enough. I should be all right. I should be all right. Thank you for checking. Oh, we get off the drainage lanes here. Look how fast everyone's going. Holy cow. Doing 45 in a 65 zone. Hopefully everyone understands. Airport's only about 5 miles in front of me now. Or at least the exit is. This is a much needed drink of water for the desert. Just don't need it all at once. Oh, hydroplane. There we go. Outstanding. Tempe Mill Avenue up here with all those lights. That's the bridge that takes you into Tempe, where all the bars, restaurants, activities are. Sky Harbor exit, 1.25 miles. All right, we're getting there. Appreciate y'all hanging out, checking out the storm. I think the danger appears to have passed where we're at, just the flooding on the streets. If you're in the Phoenix area, stay inside so the water can recede. Saw several cars wiped out on Hayden Road by Indian School, as that's a drainage into the Hayden Wash, and everyone just kind of gunned through it, and the water just went right up over the hood and flooded out the engines. Fire engine got through it, but barely. And then a couple people tried to follow, they got stuck. I have the Phoenix version, Philip, of all-weather snow tires, which is whatever was on sale at Walmart when I needed tires. They have, that was a 3 month ago purchase. Oh. So the tread is really thick, which is good. It's a front wheel drive, which helps in the snow. Don't have much snow here. Alright, we are going to exit here slowly. We're going to watch those people in front of us. This could, a lot of times the exits will dip down. This one doesn't appear to. This one could be okay. So Sky Harbor exit. So if you need to get to Sky Harbor in the rainstorm, you can watch this video again. Merging traffic. What a night. Let's see, don't want to miss my turn here. The right lane is for 143. I don't want that. I want to stay where I am. Up here is the park and float. We made it. All right. Couple of a bunch of blinking lights here. What's going on here? This doesn't look good. Plus, these are all people trying to pick people up. They're all just waiting over here. So I'm going to sign off. Thank you.